Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this update on Tropical Storm Colin. I'm Sam Walker from WODX.com. Glad to have you with us here on this Saturday morning. A surprising Saturday morning, to say the least, because this was totally unexpected that we would be even thinking about something tropical here along the coast of North Carolina on this July 4th weekend. Yesterday, we really didn't see much here out of this system. It was down south. I actually had to make a run down to South Carolina yesterday. Drove through some squally, downpours. Nothing unusual for summer around North Carolina and South Carolina. But as the day wore on and into the evening last night, this little disturbance was down to the south. Drifted off the coast or right along the coast of South Carolina and took on tropical characteristics. And early this morning, my weather monitoring instruments, cell phone, weather radio, all starts going crazy at 5 o'clock in the morning. Didn't even think twice about it. And then look and see, hey, we're under a tropical storm warning. Oh, out of nowhere. So, to say that this was a surprise is an understatement. All right, so what's up? Well, again, we just got a little area of disturbed weather down to the south that has been creating showers, thunderstorms, some heavy at times. And in fact, we can show you that here via the National Weather Service Doppler radar. This gives you an idea of what we're dealing with. And in fact, right now looking at what the scene's like off Corolla this morning, nice morning this off Corolla. But the farther south you go, it starts to get a little messy. Here's a live look from Avon. You can see showers, heavy at times. Same thing off of Hatteras. They've been dealing with showers there. Even down to Ocracoke, the view this morning there, you can see over Silver Lake behind our radar shot of the showers, low clouds. These showers have been heavy at times. And a couple downpours here. Oh, there's a better image. You can see offshore, in fact, of Hatteras Village right now, where there's some pretty decent shower and thunderstorm activity. All right, back to the radar. And you can see a pretty hefty line of showers and thunderstorms making their way up across the Dare County mainland right now and onto the Albemarle Sound. We're probably going to be seeing those arriving along the North Beaches here in the next hour or so, if not sooner. And already you can see that line that went up along Hatteras Island here. Let me see if I can zoom down a little bit better for you to get a better idea of what we're looking at here. Yeah, here we go. This is a better shot of that. We'll pull back out on that image here in a little bit, but you can see how those clusters of showers and thunderstorms have been moving from southwest to northeast this morning, and will continue to do so over the next few hours. And then we zoom back out and see how far out this disturbed weather goes, all the way off the coast of Charleston, South Carolina, and the Myrtle Beach area, Wilmington. I'm going to pop down to the Wilmington radar, give us a better idea how far south this precipitation is. And if you notice, really the only place the precipitation's falling on land is in our part of the state. Anywhere, everything else is offshore. The center of this Colin, at 8 a.m. Was located between Charleston and Myrtle Beach. Let me zoom better in on that so you can see it. There is the latest, the 8 a.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center. Again, the center in coastal northeast South Carolina. And really the bulk of this thing is to the south and east of the center. The forecast track has it just going right up US 17 and then across the Pamlico Sound tomorrow. And then right out over the Outer Banks tomorrow night. And early Monday morning already be out way offshore, the center of it. The bulk of the precipitation is out to the east and southeast of this. So we're going to be dealing with some showers, some gusty thunder showers and thunderstorms today and into tomorrow on the Outer Banks. This is not going to be a serious major event where this is not going to be all that severe a tropical system. It's just going to be a tropical system. It's going to get it's got a name, going to get us stirred up a little bit. Gives us a chance to practice, really. getting used to, but practice covering these things and giving you the information. I know there's going to be a lot of folks coming in today and tomorrow for their vacations for the holiday weekend. Going to be asking a lot of questions, and we want to be able to answer a few of those. Basically, what's going to happen is we're just going to get a whole bunch of showers and thunderstorms out of this over the next 24 hours, and then by tomorrow night, it'll be out of here. This is a little new interactive map that the National Hurricane Center has now. If I can go to a better image of this, it gives you a full look at it. So what we're looking at here, down here in the bottom right, bottom left rather, is where the strongest of winds are centered. The rain is all out over here, but there is actually some pretty, a little bit of a small cluster of tropical storm force winds, 35 to 40 miles an hour at times, sustained with some higher gusts, right over northeastern South Carolina. This blue area is the forecast track for that wind radii. That those winds are expected to cross somewhere within this blue cone. And this green area here, that's the forecast for winds in excess of 50 knots, possible along from, say, Surf City to Atlantic Beach, Morehead City, Newbern, then on over into Pamlico County, and on down east, so Harkers Island. This is Cape Lookout here. Then you're going up Portsmouth Island, Ocracoke, and southern Hatteras Island. Might see some gusty winds out of this over the next couple of 24 hours. Again, sustained at tropical storm force. Purple line, that just shows where the tropical storm warning is. Yes, we are under tropical storm warning from Duck south all along the North Carolina coast, including the Pamlico Sound and the adjacent waters. The black lines here, so this is where the onset of tropical storm force winds are most likely to happen. So it looks like now through, this is now, 8 a.m., 2 p.m. this afternoon, Wilmington, 8 p.m. tonight, Cape Lookout, Morehead City, Atlantic Beach, 2 a.m. for Ocracoke and Hatteras Island, and by 8 a.m. for the Outer Banks from north of Cape Hatteras on up to Duck, and then by 8 o'clock tomorrow night. So, again, this is a small, compact system in terms of what a tropical system looks like. It is barely a tropical storm. It really just is a tropical storm because of its because of the nature of it just meets the standards. That's the best way to put this. It meets the standards of being a tropical storm. It's not going to be along. What we're really dealing with is, think of it as just your typical afternoon and evening thunderstorms. We're going to get them this morning. As you can see by the radar down there, they're getting closer to the northern beaches, already getting onto the northern beaches now, Oregon Inlet, over to the Dare County mainland. You're going to start seeing the rain coming in over the next couple hours. That's going to create some traffic headaches, obviously, today with change-out day and especially going into the holiday weekend. We'll see the inland sections of northeastern North Carolina already seeing some rain over towards Edenton, Hertford, Elizabeth City, going to get that. Currituck, get it by midday today, if not sooner. You have the next hour. So, we're shooting this at 8:43. So it's going to be probably in the next hour or so. Everybody will have gotten a dousing by then. Then some more of these showers and thunderstorms back out behind it. It really looks like this one line here that's coming through now, it's going to be the bulk of this precipitation. And then as the day goes on, we get the afternoon heating. We'll see some showers and thunderstorms. We do need to be concerned. It's going to be a southerly breeze for the most part with this because of this track, the forecast track taking it right over us. So we're going to be more of a southerly breeze. So the south-facing beaches are going to be dealing with some rip current issues, especially. All the beaches will probably be dealing with rip current issues tomorrow. It's going to be some rough surf. Going to see some pretty, I'd say, hazardous shore break, longshore current as well. We'll make our run from south to north. Doesn't look too bad right now off Hatteras Village, as you can see. Here's the shot from Avon. You can see a pretty decent little shore break there that could cause some problems, especially for inexperienced surf swimmers. We don't have the high risk or moderate risk. What do we got? Low right now? I believe the forecast from the National Weather Service is for a moderate risk today and tomorrow. moderate risk for the northern beaches, and then a high risk for south. So, yeah, we do have that longshore current. So, best bet, if you're not experienced with swimming in the ocean, don't go in the ocean. Even though it does look pretty calm out there, there's a pretty decent current out there, and that shore break is going to get a little more intense as the day goes on. Move up to Nag's Head right now. Looks very nice right there off Jeanette's Pier. And then the same thing kind of off Corolla. Very ideal summer conditions. That's going to deteriorate as it goes in the afternoon. So if you got some beach plans, be careful out there. Best bet, don't go in the ocean above your knees if you're not experienced with the surf on the northern beaches, and then the east-facing beaches of Hatteras Island from Oregon Inlet down to Buxton. Once you get around the hook, once you get around the point, Frisco, Hatteras Village, Ocracoke, just stay out of the ocean. Not the day to be in there. And it'll probably be lightweight tomorrow, unfortunately. So, but again, we're just going to be dealing with some rough surf. Again, with any type of tropical system, we do have the potential for isolated tornadoes that forming with these thunderstorms. So you do need to keep that in mind. Really, just keep an eye on this. If you've never been here before in the Outer Banks for a storm, this is minor. This is, again, just your typical afternoon thunderstorm activity that you see anywhere around the country. Not that big a deal. We'll be fine with this, and we shouldn't be having too many problems out of this. It's going to be a quick one. It'll be in and out by tomorrow. And looks like July 4th, the forecast for July 4th, looks pretty decent. Just maybe some morning showers and storms. Otherwise, sunny and 83. I'll take that for Independence Day. But again, just kind of a messy weekend. Off and on showers and storms today, and a little gusty winds at times, and some rip currents and some rough surf. So other than that, Colin's going to be a whole lot of nothing, just something to talk about, just something to rehearse our tropical weather updates. We'll do another one of these this afternoon, evening, at 5:30. We're going to do one at 5:30 today. We'll get the 5 p.m. advisory, give us a better idea of what we're dealing with. But we'll do another update for you this afternoon at 5:30. If conditions warrant, we might have to do one sooner, but most likely we're going to do one at 5:30. Just go ahead and put it on your calendar now. We'll get the Facebook Live and the YouTube feed set up for that. And we'll talk with you then. I'm Sam Walker, WOBX.com. Have yourself a great Saturday, everybody. Stay safe out there and stay dry.